Today, I'm showing you how to fix Google Maps location problems when it's not showing your correct location. Let's get started. The problem. If you open Google Maps and it's not showing where you currently are, or when you try to navigate, it's not working correctly, here's how to fix it. The blue dot with the white circle should represent your exact location. If it doesn't, follow these steps. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, check your internet connection. Open a web browser and search for speed test. Run a speed test to verify you have a good and stable internet connection. Google Maps uses Wi-Fi or cellular data to pinpoint your exact location, so poor connectivity can cause location issues. Step 2. Switch connection type. If your internet is slow, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings. Toggle Wi-Fi on or off to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Sometimes one connection type works better for location services. Step 3. Check app permissions. Open your phone's settings and go to Apps or Application Settings. Search until you find Google Maps in your app list. Tap on it. At the top, you'll see Permissions. Tap on it. On App Permissions, you'll find Location. Tap on it. Make sure Precise Location is toggled on. This allows Google Maps to know your exact location for accurate navigation. Step 5. Set location permission. On the same screen, choose Always or While using the app for location access. Always lets Google Maps track your location even when the app is closed, which is useful for navigation, while using the app only tracks when the app is open. Step 6. Make sure location services are turned on for Google Maps. You can verify this in the location settings. It should say Allow or have a check mark. Step 7. Reset connection. The final fix is to recalibrate your connection to cell towers. Exit Google Maps completely. Swipe down from the top right to access quick settings. Toggle airplane mode on, wait 5 seconds, then toggle it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to cellular towers and recalibrate your GPS location. Step 7. Reopen Google Maps. Now open Google Maps again. Your location should be accurate and the blue dot should appear in the correct spot. Try navigating to a destination to confirm everything is working properly. Additional tip. If you're still having issues, try restarting your phone completely. This can resolve underlying GPS or connectivity problems. And that's it. Your Google Maps location should now work correctly and show your accurate position.